In this story, he eats the 17 oranges at the same time, and how he just escaped from that critical situation. Okay, we will go for the book back exercise now. From your reading of the text, choose the correct answer from the options given below. The narrator was fond of four options they are given. The answer is eating oranges. The second one, the narrator was searched by the policeman because D is the answer, his pocket were bulging. Because when he was coming to him, his pocket was bulging, the apron. He was wearing an apron and his pocket was bulging. So this police suspected that something will be inside. Like that only. He just suspected. Then he was searched by the policeman because his pocket were bulging. Third one, the narrator kept his mouth shut when the question by Pongo because answers anything said would be held as evidence against him. If he say anything, that will be a problem for him. That's why he didn't open that mouth. Fourth one, the voice in the narrator's head advised him to eat all the oranges. So that policeman locked him in a room and just he went to took another police officer for the witness. சாட்சி கொண்டு வந்துடலாம், இல்லைன்னா இவன் தப்பிச்சிருவான்னு சொல்லி சாட்சி கொண்டு வந்து ரூம்குள்ளே பூட்டி வச்சுட்டு போகிறான். ஸோ இஸ் வாய்ஸ் மைண்ட்லேருந்து ஒரு வாய்ஸ் இஸ் கோயிங் ஆன் டாக்கிங். டோன்ட் வரி, கமான், ஈட் த எவிடன்ஸ், ஈட் ஆல் த ஆரஞ்சஸ், ஈட் ஆல் த ஆரஞ்சஸ். அவன் மனசில் அப்படியே ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ வாட் he did now, he ate all. The answer is B, he ate all the oranges. Pongo found, okay, Pongo or Pongo you can say, Pongo found out trays of the oranges on the table because the narrator, does see, had eaten all them all. The narrator என்ன பண்றாரு, Allah just eat all the things, okay, all the oranges. Now we are coming to the vocabulary. The first one, find the synonyms from the underlined word. It's given the voice heard asked the narrator to eat the evidence. Answer is A, proof. Clem looked at Pongo furiously. C is the answer, angrily. When Pongo caught the narrator with the oranges, he was very frightened. So just frightened, his answer is B, afraid. Fourth one, the narrator was quiet when Pongo questioned him. So silent, the synonym is silent. Fifth one, narrator was in trouble because took the oranges. The answer is B, difficult. So now E, find the antonyms for the underlined words in the following sentence. 17 oranges were hidden in the narrator's pocket. So hidden opposite is, that is, antonym is exposed. Clem Joan was ordered to open the box. So opposite word is requested. Antonym is requested. Pongo locked the narrators inside the cabin. The antonym is released. Pongo carefully searched the narrator's pocket. Opposite is carelessly. The narrator of the story felt very sick for a week. The opposite is healthy is the answer for it. Here then one paragraph they are given, and you asked to write this, complete the table from the anecdote Mr. Scotty's shop trip. Okay, name is given, the occupation journalist, reason is visit to his cousin, means of transport plane, then is by going by bus, destination Italy. So the answer is given, circle that best option. Its answer is the New York. Mr. Scotty left the plane because he thought he was in Rome. B is the answer. Second one, he desired to find his cousin's home without his help. He asked the policeman for information in Italian because A is the answer, he thought he was in Italy. Third one, the next day Mr. Scotty was dashed at how the local people responded to his queries. So surprise is the answer for it. A is the answer, okay. Now circle 3 words that best describe Scotty. You can answer anyone because he was not clever, but I'll say he's unlucky and stupid. He was just getting inside that going to America and just thinking that he's in Italy. So he's stupid, okay, and miserable. These 3 only just I can describe for Mr. Scotty. Next, in the grammar area, they are given phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is a word that has a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or both to create completely new word. So, what you know what's a phrasal verb? With the verb, they'll add a word. Just with a preposition and a maximum, it will be a preposition, and it will give it make a separate meaning. Okay, தனி meaning. The verb or meaning வராது. அந்த வேர்பும் ப்ரிப்போஷன் சேர்ந்தோன்னா தனியாக ஒரு மீனிங். இங்கிலீஷில் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஜஸ்ட் இட்ஸ் மீனிங் கொடுக்கும். அந்த மீனிங் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுக்கணும். that's it. Column they given fond of. For the meaning of it, having, liking for, hidden away, conceal, மறைத்து வைப்பது, locked up, shut up, பூட்டுறது, laughed at, make fun of, கேலி செய்வது, look at, examine closely, தீவிரமாக எக்ஸாமின் பண்ணுறது, அதாவது தீவிரமாக கூர்ந்து நோக்குதல், bring up, rare, take care of, வளர்த்துறதுன்னு சொல்லலாம், பாதுகாப்பு கொடுக்குறதுன்னு சொல்லலாம். That is ரியா. ஓகே, ரியா, that's the thing, take care of. Gave up, ஸ்டாப் சொல்லலாம், சீஸ்ட், நிறுத்துறது. வென் த்ரூ, எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்னு சொல்லலாம், ரீடுன்னு சொல்லலாம், கோ த்ரூ யர் லெசன் சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம. அப்போ ரீடு பாஸ்ட் ரீட் தான், ரீட். ஓகே, ஃபினிஷ் ஆஃப், கம்ப்ளீட், முடிச்சிடுறது, எல்லாத்தையும் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக முடிச்சிருங்கன்னு சொல்லுவோமே இல்லையா, தட்ஸ் அ திங். ஃபிகர் அவுட்டுங்கிறது அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஸ்டடி வெல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.